Hi guys, welcome to PrinHeart. Today we're going to crochet a beanie hat. And all you need is a size 8 5mm hook and wool thread in your preferred colors. To start off, make a loop and chain 88 times. You can increase the chains as per your head size. And make a slip stitch to connect the base. For the next round, chain 4 and you have to make double crochet on each of the chains. To make a double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 threads, yarn over, pull again. Continue the same way. I'll meet you at the end. When you're at the end, slip stitch and then chain 3. We're going to make front post and backward post double crochets. Same way, yarn over and insert the loop through the first double crochet, like so. The next should be from behind the stitch. Same way, continue till the end. Slip stitch and chain 3. For the next 2 rounds, you have to make the exact 2 stitches you made before. If it's a front post double crocheted, you have to make a front post double crocheted. And the next stitch would be back post double crocheted. When you finish the first 3 rows, fasten off the thread. You can change the color and make 3 chains. You have to make 2 double crochets on the 3rd chain from the hook. And then you have to loop 5 times on the first chain. Pull the hook through and slip stitch. The same way, count 3 and make 2 double crochets. Continue the same way till the end. Slip stitch and chain 4. And turn your work. You're going to make the first puff from the behind chain. So just go ahead and make 5 loops and make the puff. Slip stitch and continue forward stitches. Slip stitch and fasten off the thread. Now you can change the color and repeat the process again. So I've finished 4 complete rows. On the next row, when you chain 4 and turn your work, the same way, make 5 loops on the behind chain. Without removing the hook, make the 5 loops again on the front chain. Yarn over, remove the hook and make a slip stitch. Continue the same way, looping 10 times from 2 hooks and fasten off. We're gonna do the last row now. When you turn your work, you're going to do 15 loops from 3 chains. Fasten off the thread with a long tail. Turn your work and sew up the spaces you have with a needle. And we're done. Just make sure to look around and sew up the threads if there is any. If you like it, finish it off with a pom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't. Bye!